Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I want to show you how to crochet the beautiful herringbone stitch. I absolutely love to use this stitch for a lot of different projects, just because it creates such a beautiful and dense fabric that is still very lightweight and doesn't use up too much yarn. So without any further ado, let's get started. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. So I'm going to form a loop, then place my working yarn behind the loop, grab the yarn through the loop with my hook, and pull tight. And for this pattern, I can just chain any number of stitches. So I'm just going to chain 16 for this sample. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through 16 times. And be careful not to make your chains too tight. To start row 1, I'm going to skip the first 2 chains from the hook. The first 2 chains are going to count as the first double crochet of the row. So I'm just going to yarn over and insert my hook into the 3rd chain from the hook. Then I will pull up a loop. And I'm going to twist my hook a little bit and pull through the first loop on the hook, like so. Then I will yarn over again and pull through the first loop on the hook. Then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. And again, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop. Then twist the hook and pull through the first loop on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. And I'll show you again. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, then twist the hook and pull through the first loop. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And again, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, twist the hook and pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, twist the hook and pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I will just repeat all the way across the row. And my first row is now complete. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work. And the chain 2 will count as the first double crochet of the row. So I'm going to skip the first stitch here and make a herringbone stitch into the next stitch. So again, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, twist the hook and pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, and repeat across. And here at the end of the row, we have to remember that the chain 2 here counts as a stitch. So I'll be working into the top of these 2 chains here at the end. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two. And to start the next row, I will again chain 2 and turn my work. And as you can see, the stitches look like a herringbone. And again, the chain 2 here counts as a stitch. So I will skip the first stitch here from the hook and work into the second stitch and make another herringbone stitch. And I will just continue to repeat row 2 until I'm satisfied with the length of my work. And again, here at the end of the row, I have to remember that the chain 2 counts as a stitch. So I'll be working into the top of the chain 2 here. And I'm going to fasten off my yarn at this point. So I will just cut it, yarn over, and pull the yarn tail all the way through the loop on the hook and tighten the knot. And I will weave in the yarn tails on the back side. And that's it, we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned a lot. So if you did, make sure to give this video a like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out. And I'll be able to make a lot more content for you like this. So I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.